We have a explanation about the international trot presented by Diksha MCOM Final MPM Government First Grade College Karkala. The International Trot is a harness racing event held in the New York City area that aimed to appeal to a mix of United States and international entrants. The inaugural event was held at a Roosevelt Raceway in Westbury, New York in 1959 and was held at the track until its closure in 1988. Thereafter, the race moved to Yonkers Raceway in Yonkers, New York. The initial running was held at a distance of 1.5 miles, that is 2.4 kilometers, with subsequent races held at a distance of 1.25 miles, that is 2.01 kilometers. Um, the event was held at Roosevelt Raceway in location was Westbury and New York areas. In the year of 1959 and was held at the track until its closure in 1988. The Yonkers Raceway event on the location is New York area. The horse race is running was at a distance of 1.5 miles, that is 2.4 kilometers, and with races distance 1.25 miles, that is 2.01 kilometers. In advance of its third running in 1961, the New York Times described that there are many harness racing stakes that are older and quite a few that are richer, but there is a none that for glamour, pageantry, excitement, and wild wagering matches the Roosevelt International Trot. In advance, the International Trot horse Roosevelt Raceway, that is a horse race, in a third running event is 1961 and the location is New York areas. The international trot at Roosevelt Raceway in August 18 to 25 from welcome event. Roosevelt Raceway was to harness racing what Long Island neighbor Belmont Park was to thoroughbred racing, both located in affluent areas. They were the biggest and best track in their industries. Roosevelt Raceway boasted of a 5-story grandstand that had a capacity of 50,000 plus, with regular crowds of 20 to 30,000. The campus for Roosevelt Raceway spanned 300 acres and actually had a main road, Ellison Avenue, running through the middle of it. On the west side, the grandstand had a capacity of over 40,000, which included seating for 8,500. The clubhouse capacity was roughly 10,500 with seating for around 3,000. The capacity had 3 restaurants. The clubhouse could casino, which sat 1,600. The promenade cafe, which had seating for 650, and the grandstand cafeteria with seating for another 400 dinners. The east side was the horseman area. This was where 940 stalls were located for horses. This area also included an identical twin of the main track for training and another half-mile jogging track. Overall, at the facilities, there was parking for 14,000 cars. Yonkers Raceway and Empire City Casino, founded in 1899, as the Empire City Track is a 1/2 mile standard bred harness racing direct track and slot Racino located at the intersection of Central Park Avenue and Yonkers Avenue in Yonkers, New York, near the New York City border. Yonkers Raceway announced in 2014 that they would return the international trot to the racing schedule after a hiatus of almost 20 years with a pursuit of $1 million. The 2015 international trot was won by Papagaya, giving a Norway their first win in the race. The won by the Papagaya, giving Norway their first win the race in international trot event on 2014 with pursue $1 million. The racing hiatus almost 20 years on international trot event. The Yonkers Raceway announced in 2014. Here, this first picture, there is a first picture in Yonkers Raceway include horse race and location is New York City areas, and another picture the Roosevelt Raceway, that is car or horse racing event. The same area, the event of program on location in area is New York City area. Race history 1959. In 1959, a trotter from France named Jamin was scheduled to run in the inaugural international trot at Roosevelt Raceway. The track publicist Joy Goldstein spread the word that the horse chances were affected by the losses of over 150 pounds of artichoke that had been impounded and then misplaced by the United States Department of Agriculture at Idlewild Airport. Goldstein placed ads in the New York Times and New York Herald Tribune that read French trotter needs artichokes. The first international trot raceway, Roosevelt Raceway, is first event started in 1959. The Yonkers is New York in 1959. Roosevelt Raceway averaged 22,050 fans a night and introduced the Roosevelt International Harness Race, that is horse race. 30 years later, the track has closed, but the race has managed to find a home. The first international was held August 1st, 1959, 2 years after Roosevelt opened. Before 45,723 Coronas onlookers, the artichoke munching Jamin of Francis crossed the wire first. The horse was energized after eating the artichokes, or so Goldstein said, and went on to win the race. In front of a crowd of 45,000, Jamin held on to win in front of a crowd of 48,000 spectators, with the Italian horse Tornes in second by half a length, and betting favorite Trader Horn on American entry in third to 1/4 length out of second. Jamin ran the mile and a half in 3:08.6 ratio. Next, 1960, both first-time champion Jamin and Rudar Konig of Denmark dropped out of the 1960 race. The 9-year-old Hyros II, driven by Willem Garrison, went on to win the mile and a quarter second running in a field of 7 in a time of 2:34, defeating the Italian horse Crivolcore by a half length, with the American entry Silver Song a 9-5 favorite in third by a half length behind Crivolcore. The crowd of 54,861 set a record, breaking the prior mark of 50,337 set at the track in August 1957. In 1960, Roosevelt peaked when the 54,861 fans turned out for the second running of the Roosevelt International Trot. The first-time champion Jamin dropped out of the 1960 race, which gave tremendous confidence to Hollander's Willem Garrison, the driver and trainer of the vastly improved Horace II by 1960 at age 9. Horace II was at the top of his game and he was invited to race in America. 1961, Hyros II was unable to defend his title in the 1961 race after suffering a bowed tendon during a win in a race in the Huge. At the 1961 International Trot, a French horse named Cracovie that had on that year's European cricket was missing. A stablemate, either a mountain sheep or a goat, that could not be brought into the United States due to quarantine regulation and would not eat the absence of its companion. As described by Gregor Vakesi in the Times, the entertainer Tina Lois just happened to have a goat in her merchant Tina apartment. Wearing a low-cut dress, she and her agent and the goat paid a mission of mercy to Roosevelt. Despite the publicity and the goat, Crockway lost the race to Sue MacLeod with Ty Silk in third. 1962, the light-regarded Canadian horse Ty Silk, who had finished in third the previous year and sixth the years before, won the 50,000 race in front of crowd of 53,279. 6-year-old Ty Silk, driven by Keith Walpus, on in a time of 2:34.2, with favorite and returning winner Sue MacLeod in second and world record holder Porterhouse in third. The betting handle of is a 2,793,596, set a world record for a harness racing program, breaking the prior record set at the record second running of the International Trot. The previous year and sixth year before, on the $50,000 race, the crowd of 53,279. The 6-year-old Ty Silk is Keith Walpus in won in a time of 2:34.2, with winners in Sue MacLeod second and second. The betting handle is $793,596 is a record of harness racing programs on international trot. Just a few years later, in 1962, the messenger stake was constructed for purchase of $169,430, and the winner, their honor, paid $144 for a $2 win ticket. 1963. Zoumac Lad, who had won in 1961 but dropped to second in 1962, returned to win in the 1963 running in a 7-horse field before a crowd of 41,197, what the New York Times called screaming harness racing buffs. The Dutch horse Maritini second came in second, with returning champion Tyskill in third. Driven by Stanley Dancer, Zoumac Lad paid bettors $2.90 to win in time a world record at the 1/4 mile distance with a time of 2:32.6. The 9-20 favorite came in a half length ahead of Maritini second, who in turn beat Tyskill by 7 and 5 length. The $25,000 taken home by Zoumac Lad brought his career winnings to $687,549, the most of any pacer or tractor as of that date. 1988. After the demise of Roosevelt Raceway in 1988, the race was relocated in Yonkers Raceway. Mac Lobello won the first Yonkers edition of the raceway in track record time of a 2:30, 4/5. He won $3,979,594 during his career and was elected Harness Horse of the Year in 1987 and 1988. Among his many stakes victorious were the Yonkers Trot, the Hambletonian, the Elite Lopped, that is twice the Breeders' Crown event of 3 years old and for 4 years old trotters, and the International Trot. Wins by countries. After 39 runnings of the International Trot, the winners have come from 8 different countries. These are the International Trot is a event from 8 different countries for peoples in a winners. The United States is 15 winners, France is 13 winners, Sweden is 3 winners, Canada is 3 winners, Italy is 2 winners, Denmark is 1 winners, Netherlands is 1, and Norway is 1. At one time, there were 2 international trot. After the initial success of the first Roosevelt Raceway International Trot in 1959, where a crowd of 54,000 fans attended. The following year, 1960, Yonkers Raceway introduced the United Nations Trot, which was held October 20th, 1960, in which Tyskill Silk would win in front of 23,000 fans. The Netherlands Harrows second would be 7th, and the great French trotter Jamin would be 8th after making a break at Testert in the mile and quarter race. Joining into the 1961 season, both tracks started competing against each other for the European horses. They would end up having their batters appear in the papers and courts rooms, and finally having the New York Harness Racing Commission stepping in and setting up rules and regulations regarding international racing policies for both tracks. Here there is a with there with the start of the 1961 season, Yonkers Raceway announced that they had signed the French trotting more Messina to race in the United Nations trot that would be held in the April, that is the 3 months before the Roosevelt Raceway International Trot. Messina had just won the Pixed MRG, beating the best European trotters. Roosevelt Raceway took legal action against the Yonkers Raceway and served the track with a show cause. The Roosevelt contended that Horror Levesque, the owner of Messina, had signed a contract with Roosevelt giving them until June 15 to invite Messina to race in the Roosevelt International Trot, which would be held on July 15. Thank you.